Juxtaposition of incongruity is kind of surrealistic. What I mean is it's too big, pretentious, jargonic term. Those jargonic terms pretentious. Juxtaposition of incongruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two concepts that are mutually exclusive and share no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity, because juxtaposition is when you...
10 key areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, a physics analysis, a musical theoretical analysis, a linguistic analysis, a parapsychological, psychopathological, a pathophysiological, a neurological approach, and a geophysics approach.
So, let us discuss ambiguity. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretations, and within some syntactical context, vagueness. So, ambiguity is not vague, and vague is not ambiguity. Ambiguity may be vague within